If you want more people to join your membership, start with this: a lead magnet that actually attracts the right people and gets them excited to sign up. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step by step strategy to create a free resource that grows your email list and converts subscribers into paying members. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your membership site. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, you have to know who you are trying to attract. The goal isn't just to grow your email list, it's to bring in people who are the perfect fit for your membership. So ask yourself, what does your ideal member really want help with right now? If you're not really sure, start by doing a little bit of research. You can look at your most popular blog posts, videos, or Instagram content to see what people are most interested in. You can check your DMs and emails. What do people ask you about the most? A lot of times people get the same question over and over again. That's really good insight. You can also run a quick poll on social media or even ask your current members what they were struggling with before they joined your membership. The more specific your lead magnet is to your ideal member's real challenge, the more likely they're going to be to connect with it and take the next step and sign up for your membership. Once you know what your audience wants, choose a format that makes sense for them and ties into your membership. Here are some classic options for lead magnets: a downloadable checklist or template, a short ebook or guide, a free video training or webinar, an email course, a limited time discount or free trial. Just think about what would feel natural for your people. If your membership is all video based, then maybe a short video training makes perfect sense for you. If your membership is more resource heavy, maybe you want to give away one of your tools or templates as a sample. Also, this part's really important. Don't hold back on the value just because your lead magnet is free. It's often going to be someone's first impression of your business, and if it's genuinely helpful and filled with tons and tons of value, they'll trust that your paid content will be even better. And if you're stuck on what kind of lead magnet to create, I've linked another video right here with a bunch of proven ideas specifically for membership sites. So make sure to check that one out after this one. Now, this part is also really important. Your lead magnet should not feel completely separate from your membership. It should lead directly into it. Think of it kind of like a warm up. You're giving someone a taste of what it's like to learn from you, and if it's helpful, they'll naturally want more of your resources. Here is a great real life example. This is Britton, a registered dietitian, and she runs a membership that helps parents nourish their kids on the autism spectrum. One of her main lead magnets is a free 10-page guide called Six Things to Know About Nutrition After an Autism Diagnosis. This guide helps parents understand how to meet their child's nutritional needs and navigate things like picky eating, which is a really common challenge in her audience. It's a great lead magnet because one, it's very specific to a real challenge that our audience is navigating. And two, it offers practical, beginner friendly advice. And lastly, it ties directly into the full support that she provides in her membership, which includes things like meal plans, recipes, and trainings. So parents get a really helpful starting point, and if it resonates, joining the membership feels like a natural next step for them. That's exactly what you want to do with your lead magnet. Solve one meaningful problem and then point to your membership as a place for ongoing support. So you've created the perfect lead magnet. People are starting to download it and sign up for your email list. What happens next? Well, following up with those new email subscribers is going to be key to getting them to convert. This is where you have the chance to build trust and guide them toward joining your membership if they haven't already. So let me share a simple 5 email sequence that you can use to help you nurture those new leads. The first email is just going to be your welcome email. This is where you'll deliver the freebie to your new email subscriber. You'll introduce yourself and let them know what to expect from your content. The second email should be one where you add even more value. You might share a helpful tip or resource that builds on your lead magnet. You're not going to be pitching at this point, you're just being helpful. The third email could be some kind of behind the scenes message. You might show a sneak peek inside your membership or share a quick success story from one of your members. The fourth email is where you're going to invite your email subscribers to join your membership. They know who you are by this point. They've seen the value of your content. It's time to invite them. So you can offer some kind of bonus if you want, a discount or free trial, something to just nudge them a little bit towards actually signing up. And then the fifth and final email would be a follow-up to your invite. If they still haven't signed up at this point, let them know again that the offer is ending soon and remind them how your membership can help them. And you can automate all of this with your email marketing tool, whether that's MailChimp, ConvertKit, whatever it may be. Just make sure to keep the emails personal and helpful and focused on the next step, which is getting them to sign up for your membership. So now you've not only delivered a great lead magnet, but you've also built a relationship and clearly shown how your membership can help your email subscribers go even further. And that is the full strategy. If you need some inspiration to get started, I've linked another video below with tons of lead magnet ideas specifically for membership sites, so go check that out next. And if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on growing your membership. Thanks for watching.